have watched over a thousand YouTube tutorials on how to use Blender for beginners. I have been through every guru's tutorial from the mushroom tutorial, the donut, donut tutorial, and the by far best tutorial by CrossMind Studio. And I am here to tell you the learning curve. Oh my goodness. Yo, yo, I'm tired. I figured I can't be the only beginner. I can't be the only person who has started from scratch like 1,000 times. I can't be the only person who only knows how to delete the key bus. Only I can't be the only one, so I figured to avoid inconsistency, I will create tutorials for beginners, tutorials for beginners by a beginner, because I do not trust my skill enough to call myself proficient. I am going to make tutorials on the very basic of how I think Blender should be taught, because everyone is just assuming you will know after you've been told grab, press Y, 1,000 shortcuts, that now you've understood. I have decided I will create this tutorial so that those beginners that I know how you want to be taught, because it's the way I want to be taught, and that is how I am going to teach you. So if you're interested in learning 3D in the ways that I will show you how, from beginner basics, I am assuming you have never even installed Blender in your life, despite it being your 100 take. I am assuming you have gotten nowhere with all these tutorials, or you got bored in the middle. Practically, frankly, the best tutorials are like 4 hours long. You get tired. The short tutorials are assuming you know your way around the software. They are missing details. So I want to find a middle ground for these tutorials so that I can help myself figure out this Blender stuff, because I'm trying to make a lot of money, lots of money. Yeah, and as I help myself, I intend to help you, because this is how I think tutorials should look like. Oh my gosh. For the first task of day one, we just need to install Blender. Install the latest version of Blender. So I am going to do a tutorial of how to install Blender. And then for day two, we will start with learning the interface, go about what is where, because everything is organized. Shout out to the Blender team for making this software as well organized as they can. Then we learn what is where. After we learn what is where, we learn what does what. After we learn what does what, we learn what does what. How? Are we together? So if this sounds like something that you're into, or something that you want to explore and figure out and make animation your hobby, please stay tuned, subscribe. Thank you.